Did you know you can print your own US passport photos at home and save money? I'll show you how to print 6 perfect 2x2 photos on a single 4x6 sheet in minutes. First, ensure your photo meets official US requirements: a 2x2-inch size, plain white background, and a neutral expression with your eyes open and no glasses. A standard 4x6-inch photo sheet can perfectly fit 6 2x2-inch passport photos. This is the most efficient way to print them at any local pharmacy or at home. Simply open any photo editor, create a 4x6-inch canvas, and place 6 copies of your passport photo. Make sure each one is exactly 2x2 inches before saving. When printing, it's critical to use a photo printer. Regular A4 paper won't be accepted. In your settings, set the paper size to 4x6 and ensure the scale is at exactly 100%. Always select the photo paper setting and use glossy or matte paper for a professional, official finish that meets all government application standards. That's all it takes. You now have professional passport photos at a fraction of the cost. Alternatively, use PhotoBooth Online to get a ready template or printed photos.